Sebastian, Anna, how are we?
Great.
Good. Welcome to Edmonton Skydive, Alberta Skydive. We're all geared up, ready to rock and roll. Look pretty cool. You got people watching. Hey. All right, we're gonna go to the top. Jump out of a plane at 200 k's. Yeah.
Yes.
When your instructor gets scared, they're gonna pull their parachutes. We're gonna fly that parachute around, and we're gonna land in our landing area just over there. Yeah.
Yes.
You guys good to go?
Yes.
Still want to go?
Yes.
All right, give me a high five. Give me a high five. Let's go do it. You. How was that, bro?
That was amazing.
Nice work. Yeah. Sebastian, how was that, my friend?
That was amazing.
Yeah?
Yeah.
What was your favorite part about the skydive?
I liked when we jumped out of the plane.
Jumped down the plane?
It was
yeah?
hard, but it was fun.
Pretty cool, yeah?
Yeah.
No worries. Come back for more?
Yeah, probably will.
Perfect. High five. Thanks for coming out to Edmonton Skydive. See you soon. Yeah.